thought I'd add this to the video because here's a Google Ads. I'm looking for Google Ads, people interested in Google Ads, and I just wanted to point your attention to some things to look at as well. So I can see the payment method is not verified, and today's date is July 12th. I can see, okay, he joined last year. The payment method's not verified and he joined last year. So that to me is a red flag. And a lot of the time, some people just join on the day they haven't verified their payment method. I wouldn't apply to this job. So the fact that he joined last year, sorry, 2024, July 12th, and his payment method is not verified shows me that he's not serious. And another thing, if the payment method is not verified and they're not interviewing anybody or they haven't responded to anyone, okay, he just posted this 2 hours ago, then I probably wouldn't apply. So I probably wouldn't apply to this just because there's no history, there's nothing there. It's just a generic job description. And yeah, his payment method is not verified. It doesn't look very serious to me.